What's up, guys? Welcome back to my cooking show. First episode, so I don't know how else welcome back. I haven't even thought of a name yet because I'm not creative, but if you see something in the title, let's go ahead and call it that. Now, in this cooking show, we will be making White Russians. If you guys don't know what White Russian is, it's a coffee, like the coffee on my Jim Fidel shirt. You can use code DwkYTContact for 15% off. Now, I'm gonna walk you step by step how to make the perfect White Russian. And by perfect, I mean, I bet you're gonna wish you just went to a bar and bought one, but this way is cheaper. This way is way cheaper. White Russians are perfect for either going out with friends, staying home with family, or ignoring your 9-year-old soccer championship to stay at the bar and have your wife call you, say, Jerry, where are you? You're like, I'm trying to take the fucking edge off because I've been so stressed at work and I come home to any of those situations. This is the perfect mix for it. So, for ingredients, you're gonna have vodka. Doesn't really matter which one. I would just buy whichever's cheapest. Kettle One, fine. Kahlua. I'm sorry if that's culturally oppressing people. Kahlua with rum and coffee liqueur. Heavy cream. Now, you guys, this is gonna surprise some of you, but you're like, oh, it's like Cool Whip. It'll be in the Cool Whip cream place, and it's not. It's by the coffee creamer. You know why? Because now they're culturally oppressing me. Because creamer's white, you put it in with the other coffee creamers. And some aesthetic mason jars to go ahead and put it in. These are really big, so I'd suggest getting smaller mason jars, which we don't have, but really you just, as I say, which we don't have, and I check my cupboard at the same time. Why is that open? Get a smaller one, so we're gonna make it in these, for the time being, poured into here so we keep that aesthetic. And basically the goal of this is we're off to watch the UFC fights tonight, and I'm not paying B-dubs like $10 for a White Russian, all right? I can make 50 at home and bring them and drink them in my car in the parking lot, which I would not advise, and I'm not saying I'm gonna do that, all right? This is for educational purposes only. So, go ahead, get your glass, get it all nice and centered. You're gonna take this that you wish you were sponsored by, but so let's turn the label out since they're not paying me to do this anyway. And go ahead and put, you know what? I'm actually gonna measure this. I don't want it to taste fucked up. Take your closest protein shaker, go ahead and put in, let's say, 4 ounces of vodka. Which my wife just whispered in the back of the camera, that's 4 shots. I'm not worried about shit. Then, go ahead, take your stupid little thing, pour it into there, right? Now, you're gonna take 8, Bruno! Take his toy away. How sad is that? Take his toy. You wanted to be in the camera that bad, huh? 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 Well, you're in the camera. Huh? What do you got to say? Oh, you still want to squeak your toy? Go ahead, do 8 fluid ounces of this coffee liqueur, which I seem to be wasting the whole bottle. And now we're gonna be topping it off with 1 part heavy whipping cream. Hints, tips, tricks, take the back of some silverware, put it in there, and then pour it off it. Boom. Boom! White Russian! And you just go ahead and hit one of these bad boys. Now the part for the aesthetics. You pull up the jar you actually want to pour it into. Fuck. Boom, there you have it, boys. Here you boys have it. The final product, it's not moonshine, I think it's legal, and we'll go ahead and test it out. Yeah. White Russian, boys, woo! Obviously, leave it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next, whatever the title is gonna be, is the name of this new cook show. All right.